Hi guys, Lipsy Lou here. Are you ready for the sound of the week? I know I am. Let's call Mr. Mouth. Hands ready for clapping. Mr. Mouth. Mr. Mouth. Mr. Mouth. Mr. Mouth. What sound will come out today, Mr. Mouth? Mr. Mouth. Mr. Mouth. Mr. Mouth. Mr. Mouth. What sound will come out today, Mr. Mouth? Mr. Mouth. Mr. Mouth, are you ready to give us the clues for the sound of the week? My teeth are together like this. Like this? Yes. And my tongue is up behind my top teeth. It's a quiet sound with a little bit of air. Tongue behind my top teeth, teeth closed, and a little bit of air. I think I know what it is. Is it the sound? That's right! Ooh, that's our snaky sound. Let's see if we can make the sound together. Teeth closed, tongue behind your top teeth, and a little bit of air. Here we go. Good job. Try it again with me. Ready? That's our snaky sound. I wonder what letter makes the sound. It's the letter S. Look, I have a spotty S. Can you hear the S in the word spotty? It's at the beginning. Are you ready to look inside the magic box? Here we go. Oh. Our first thing is something that we use to eat. It's made from metal and it's round at the bottom. Any guesses? That's right, it's a spoon. A spoon that we can use to eat our soup and our cereal. Let's see what else is inside our magic box. This is something that you use when you play soccer. We can kick it and it's black and white. Any guesses? That's right, it's a soccer ball. This is a small soccer ball and it's squishy. Our next thing is a piece of clothing. Something that we wear on our feet to keep them nice and warm. It's very soft too. Any guesses? It's a sock. That's right. A stretchy, soft sock. Oh, and look, it's even got stripes on our sock. Blue stripes, pink stripes, and white stripes. All in a pattern. Stretchy, stripy sock. I better put that around my neck. Silly me. That's a scarf, not a sock. This needs to go on my feet. Sock! Oh, this next thing is something that we use when we go in the water swimming. We use it to see things underwater, like fish and coral. Any guesses? You got it! It's a snorkel! Oh, this is if I can put this on. Way, there we go. On my eyes. And this helps me to breathe. Oh. One more thing in our magic box. And this thing is very scary. Oh, this thing can slither and it can make the sound. Any guesses what this animal might be? You're right. It's a snake. It's a stretchy, slimy, sticky snake. And look, if you look really close, you can see the scales on our snake. Scaly, stretchy, slimy, slithering snake. Oh, look at it stick. Lucky it's just a toy snake. Otherwise, I wouldn't be able to touch it. That's the end of the magic box for our sound. Thanks so much for joining us today. Now it's time to say goodbye.
G-O-O-D-B-Y-E, goodbye, goodbye. It's been so long, just come again, goodbye, goodbye. Hands up high, wave side to side, goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. G-O-O-D-B-Y-E, goodbye, goodbye. It's been so fun, just come again, goodbye, goodbye. Hands up high, wave side to side. Goodbye. G-O-O-D-B-Y-E, goodbye.
Bye.